When the light flashes on, it's time to visit a dealer you trust. At Evans Toyota, we take car care seriously. When you choose Toyota Express Maintenance, we get right down to work like a pit crew. There are 5 key elements to a TXM appointment: oil and filter change, brake inspection, tire rotation, fluid inspection and replenishing, and multi-point vehicle inspection. At Evans Toyota, we are a locally owned business. That means we care about our community. Your vehicle is in great hands. For your maintenance needs, come visit Evans Toyota, Fort Wayne's TXM provider, located at the corner of Lima and Coliseum. We are always happy to help.